Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Cyber Pro podcast. We are excited. We are delving into the world of incident response planning, a critical aspect of cybersecurity that helps organizations stay resilient in the face of digital threats. In 5 minutes or less, let's explore the key components of incident response planning, or IRP, and discuss why it's crucial for safeguarding your digital assets. To start, let's define incident response. IR is a structured approach to addressing and managing security incidents and breaches effectively. It involves identifying, managing, mitigating, a lot of M's there, recovering from cybersecurity incidents in a manner that minimizes damage, reduces your downtime, and maintains business continuity. The primary goal of incident response is to safeguard your organization's digital assets, your data, your reputation, and ensure a swift and coordinated response to security events. An IRP, or incident response plan, takes a structured approach to handling and mitigating cybersecurity incidents. It's like having a well-rehearsed fire drill for digital emergencies. The goal is to minimize the impact of those security incidents, maintain that business continuity, and learn from each event to improve your future responses. So, incident response planning, or IRPs, refer to that proactive process, of developing a well-documented and organized strategy to handle cybersecurity incidents. It includes defining roles, responsibilities, establishing those communication protocols, outlining procedures for identifying, containing, eradicating, recovering from all of those digital incidents. It also sets up mechanisms for learning from each of those events. Incident response planning aims to ensure that an organization is well prepared to respond to cybersecurity incidences effectively, minimize their impact, and facilitate a quick return to normal operations while learning from those incidences, again, to enhance future responses. So what are the key aspects of incident response planning? Preparation. This phase involves setting the stage for incident response. It includes establishing the incident response team, defining their roles, and creating the actual written policy. 2, identification. In this phase, you're focusing on identifying potential security incidents. You need to recognize unusual or suspicious activities that may indicate a breach, indicators of concern, or indicators of compromise, IOCs. Number 3, containment. Once an incident has been identified, containment comes into play. The aim is to stop the incident from spreading further and causing more damage. Number 4, eradication. After you've contained the incident, it's time to eliminate the root cause of the incident. Think of it as getting rid of the weeds instead of just trimming out the leaves. 5, recovery. The recovery phase is all about getting your systems and operations back to normal. It includes restoring data, services, and functionality. And finally, lessons learned. In this reflection phase, you analyze the incident and the response. You look at what went well and what needs improvement. It's like post-game analysis in almost every sport. So why is incident response planning important? Well, it minimizes your downtime. Effective incident response reduces downtime and helps organizations quickly recover from incidences, ensuring business continuity. That's the key. Go earn business, go make money, go continue to do what your business is supposed to do. It also is important because it protects your reputation. A swift and competent response protects an organization's reputation, showing customers that their data is in safe hands. Compliance requirements. Incident response planning is often a regulatory requirement, and noncompliance can result in penalties. So how do you prepare for an incident response? You need to assemble a dedicated incident response team who has well-defined roles, responsibilities, and communication procedures. That is key. You need to create a clear policy, an IRP, a plan that is written and outlines the steps that will be taken during an incident. This policy, this plan needs to be well documented, readily accessible, and in some cases, easily digestible, and more so, tabletop trained upon. And that leads to the third thing to prepare for incident response. You need to regularly train your team, conduct incident response drills. We call that tabletop exercises. This ensures everyone knows their roles and responds effectively. You can learn from the tabletops just as well as you can learn from actually responding to an incident, and there's no incident to be concerned about, which is a good thing. So in conclusion, incident response planning is your digital safety net, helping you respond to cyber incidents efficiently and minimize damage. By following the key aspects of preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and learning from each incident, you can stay resilient in the face of digital threats.